Hi, I'm öner and this is my third project for the course EE 102 Introduction to Digital Circuit Design. First, I want to mention briefly about my project. My project is a digital thermometer that has two modes. One is the Celsius mode, the other is the Fahrenheit mode. In the Celsius mode, as you can understand, the project shows the environment temperature in degrees Celsius in the 7-segment display, and like that in the Fahrenheit mode, the project shows the environment temperature in the 7-segment display in degrees Fahrenheit. First, I want to mention about the components I used in my project. I used an analog sensor, LM35, it's a temperature analog sensor, and an analog to digital converter, ADC0804, and some other circuit components. I powered my circuit with an adapter 5 volts, and the analog output of the sensor goes to the ADC, and the ADC basically converts this analog output of the sensor to 8 bits of digital data, which is transferred to the basis 3 board. In my circuit, I have used some components like a 10K resistor, a 150 picofarad capacitor, and a 10 microfarad capacitor, and I've used a 10K trim pot to adjust the reference voltage of the ADC. With that adjustment, the ADC successfully converts the environment temperature to Celsius, and that conversion then goes to the basis 3 board. And also the ADC have 4 pins which are connected to basis 3 board as well. These pins are the chip select, write, read, and the interrupt pins. These are all connected to the basis 3 board with the 8 bits of digital output of the ADC. After that, the project is basically VHDL coding, and I connected the 8 bits of the data into the 8 LEDs of the basis 3 board, which are basically showing in binary the Celsius representation of the environment temperature, and then this data is given to the 7-segment display. For example, right now it's 21 degrees Celsius, the environment temperature, and there is a switch to adjust the mode of the thermometer, and this switch, when it is open, the digital thermometer shows the Fahrenheit representation of the environment temperature in the 7-segment display. And I want to show a demonstration of that. My sensor is here. If I touch the sensor with my fingertips, the sensor will heat up and it will show the current temperature which the sensor sees. Right now, when I touch it, it goes to 25-26 degrees Celsius, and the Fahrenheit representation also went up, and when I touch it, the Fahrenheit also went up. And this is actually all of my project, and thank you for listening.